I got my little partner out here. Hi, buddy. What you got to say? Hi. Yeah. Luke's out here driving the gator. Smile. Smile. Well, it's a sunny 60-degree day. Well, 50 degrees probably right now. Got the sandblast guy here. Got a sandblast rig. Ready to do a little sandblasting. So we'll run around the truck here and see what we got going on. Got the motor all covered up and ready to go. He said he can work around the lines pretty easily with a smaller gun, so he's not too worried about any of the lines that are laying out there. He's going to try to cover as much area as possible. So. Some of the abrasive that he's using. And he says it can just be blended right down into the ground. That it's not really going to be a big deal after it gets done. So. He's got the big gun out. Well, he's filling the sand again. You can see he's doing a pretty good job taking that stuff down. Kind of what I was looking for. Well, after a little over an hour's worth of blasting, he ended up with this as the final result, which for the time and the money I'm actually very happy with, because this is about what I wanted. Just wanted something nice and smooth that we could get paint to stick to, that wasn't all corroded. And I'm very happy with the results, very happy with the price he charged me, and yeah. Hey guys, just wanted to finish up the video here today. Had some good help from a friend of mine, Cal Fossey from Barnyard Blasting, that came out and was able to blast that frame for me. He's out of Kindred, North Dakota, and he does a lot of really good work, and he's really fairly priced, and he does really good work. So it's nice to deal with some people that are honest and charge a fair price and all that kind of stuff. He was fair enough to the point I decided I had to tip him a little bit. But he did a really good job. That frame is nice and clear of all the slag and rust and crud that was all on it, so I should be able to lay some paint on it and make it look pretty nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the rest of the frame fixed up. I got some repairs I got to do to the back where it was cracked out and everything like that. I'm going to outline that repair here in the next video. And hopefully if we get some nice weather this weekend, I might try to lay the paint on it this weekend. We'll see what happens. It's going to be kind of cool, so I might lay the paint and just kind of roll it right back in the shop right away and let it cure while it's inside. We'll see what happens. I'm going to talk to my body guy and see if that's a good idea or not. But yeah, we'll see where it goes. Make sure you guys hit subscribe so you can catch all the latest episodes and everything like that. Just hit our 100th subscriber here today, so that's kind of exciting for me. It's one of those things I want to grow really fast, but it still blows my mind that there's 100 people out there that are really interested in what I'm doing. So I really want to try to grow this, and you guys are really helping me out with that, so I really appreciate it. So hit the subscribe, leave some comments for me, let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see, things like that. Let me know if you got any comments or critiques. If I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I'm trying to work a little better on the video editing and the camera work and everything like that. I noticed my camera was kind of loud here the other day on one of my other videos, and I know my editing kind of sucks right now, but I'm trying to work on it and trying to get better every time. So just go ahead and let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, northlandmike. And on Facebook, facebook.com/northland.mike.9. yada, yada, yada. Okay, there's no yadas in that. Don't put yada in there. That doesn't work. But it's facebook.com/northland.mike.9. I want to know who the other previous 8 Northland mics are, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get to meet them one day. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch me on the next one. See ya.